Okay, guys, so how to make your first 50 to $100 with this simple method. I will show you how exactly you can make free cash online, free PayPal money online. I make this video before because I am getting unlimited emails from my subscribers and my followers, how to make money online, how to make PayPal cash online. So I decide to make this video to show you and to give you a simple tip how to make more cash online for free. Okay. Before I will start, I will show you my proof from this system so you can see. After this, I will show you exactly what to do to earn this free PayPal cash. You can see over $7,000. It's only 28 days. If I can do it, you can do it too. All you have to do is take action. If you want to make money online, you have to do some stuff, some work. So let's start. Step number one, you need a product. So how to find a product? You can go to Google and type free PLR product like you see here, and search for free product that you can download for free. You can see here unlimited results for unlimited product that you can download for a free. Okay, you can download this product for a free. All you have to do, download and save in your computer. Then you have to build a system around this product. Okay, this system, something like this, a landing page like this. Okay, a landing page with a video proof, a landing that convert landing page. You have to put a various convert title here like you see, video, and the order button. Okay, it's very easy to build this landing page. Don't worry if you don't have a host and domain. I will give you the same landing page so you can use it for free and you can earn free PayPal cash. Okay, so very important, you have to find a good product and build around this product a landing page, a system to promote your product, exactly like I did here. Okay, I have a product and I have a landing page like this, you can see exactly, and all you have to do is promote your landing page. Okay, you have to promote your link, and I will show you exactly where you can, how to promote your link, how to get unlimited free traffic. Like I said in the start of this video, you have to do some work if you want to succeed online. If you don't have a time for doing this work, it's a problem. Sorry to say that. It's a problem. You have to work, you have to do some work if you want to succeed, if you want to make money online. Okay, so now we have a product and we have a landing page. I will show you exactly how you can use this landing page if you don't have a domain or a host. Below this video you can found this link. Okay, this is the landing page, exactly the landing page I am using to promote. All you have to do, you can see here your PayPal address. So you have to put here your PayPal email address, not any address, okay? Only your PayPal email address, and all you have to do is take the link. You can short this link, okay, using Google, and then you have to promote this link, okay? So this is the link. You have to put your PayPal email address here, okay, like this. Sorry. Okay, so you have to put your PayPal email address here. Then all you have to do is take this link. You can short this link and this, and then you have to promote your link. Okay. Okay, so let's take this link. Let's check it. Let's go to our browser and put here. Then I will get this landing page. Now, if you can see in the bottom your PayPal email address, that's mean everything working well. Okay, so your link is working well. No problem. Okay, there's no problem. If you can see your PayPal email address here in the bottom. Now I will show you some traffic website that you can get unlimited free traffic to your link. So let's start, okay? Traffic source number one is Traffic Boost. Okay, Traffic Boost, this website. First, you have to join for free, then go to here, websites, add a new website, and one moment. Okay, I already have a 10 website. Okay, I already have 10 website. Let's see my website. This is my website, like you see here. I have 10 website that I am promoting using this site. When you add your website, all you have to do is go to dashboard and then click the ads here. You have to wait. You can see here 10 seconds. Okay, so you have to log in this website every single day, let's say 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, click and view ads, and you will earn points. Okay, like you see here. Okay, Like you see, I have over 1000 points, and these points is traffic to my website. Okay, traffic source number two. So this is number one, trafficpost.net. I will put this link below this video so you can join for free and earn free traffic. Okay, like I said, every day you have to log in this website 5 to 10 minutes and earn points and credit for traffic. Okay, traffic source number two is traffic app. Traffic app. This is the same. Okay, you can see here add website. Add your website. Here I already have added my website. You can see here is my website. Okay, so you have to add your website here and go to dashboard and click ads. Very easy. So remember, every website you have to log in 5 to 10 minutes every single day, click ads and earn points like here. Okay. Okay, traffic source number three is US. This website, and this is free to join. And all you have to do is join for free. You need two Gmail account. All you have to do is you will get an emails and solo ads from this website. All you have to do is open it. You have to open this emails and you will earn credit. Okay. Then you can use your credit. Here you can go to credit mailer and send your email here. You have to put your text, your title, sorry, here, and your text, and very important to put your link here. Right now I have 0 credit because I already sent my email. You can send your email every single day. It's free solo ad, so you can use it for free and you can get free traffic to your link. Okay, one more site I will show you a traffic bonus. Okay, traffic bonus. This is also you can use it to send your email. Okay, right now I have over 600 credit, so I can put here my link, my title. Remember, you have to put a very convert title, a very good title, some text, and then send message now. Okay. Okay, now this was a free traffic. You can use it to promote your link. You can make free cash. The point from this video to earn free cash and make money online. Okay, That's why I make this video, so you can earn free cash without uh, uh, invest money. Okay. Now, if you don't have a time, like I said, you can buy traffic. I will show you how to buy very convert traffic, very good traffic. So traffic number one, you can visit Turbo website. Traffic, you will get this website, very beautiful website, and all you have to do is put your name, your email, your link. Remember this link or your shorting link. Put it your link here, and you will get unlimited traffic from this website. The best traffic is 30 days unlimited website traffic, only $18. Okay, paid traffic source number two is Safe Traffic Rotator. You will get this website, very beautiful website. This is the same. You can put your name, your email, your link, and this the package that you will get. It's very cheap traffic, and get traffic to your link. This is very cheap traffic. Traffic source, paid traffic source number three is traffic cache list. This is one of the best traffic, guys, that you can get unlimited traffic, very cheap traffic to your link. One of this package that I really like it, you can see here, get unlimited website traffic for 1 month. It's only $71. Like I said, very cheap traffic. Okay, I hope you like this video. Remember, you can use this landing page for free. I will give you this landing page for free. You can use it for free. All you have to do is take action if you want to make money online. You don't have to invest nothing. You can use free traffic and you can earn free PayPal cash online every single day. Very important to take action. Don't delay. You have to do some work if you want to make money online. Just now with this video, I give you everything you need. Okay, you don't have to buy domain. You don't have to buy a host. You can use my landing page for free. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please type your comment below this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.